Afternoon, Ritu.
Good afternoon, Ritu.
Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, Dee.
Good
Where
afternoon.
were you yesterday? I think
अरे वो मेरे
my
थ्रोट में
face to
इन्फेक्शन
face.
हो गया था।
Eh?
थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन हो गया तो फीवर आ गया।
She got throat infection and she got fever. Uh, Guys, excuse me. Sarika, have I given you? It is not working. I'm just checking. Interactive sentence.
Yes, sir. You have already given. It is not working.
And Aparna, have I given you goodness can ask us with it?
Yes, sir, you have given.
Uh,
Neki or kuch.
Renu, have I given you keep patience?
Sorry,
Interactive sentence.
no. Keep patience given.
Let me ask Ritu. Ritu, remember?
I think no, sir. I think you haven't given that
Actually, the
interactive
idiom
sentence.
with this interactive sentence is a friend in need is a friend indeed. Have I given
No,
Aparna?
sir.
Sir, no,
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 sir.
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 This
No, sir.
idiom you did not get.
And sir, you haven't given keep patience.
That's why I cross check because sometimes the details of interactive because this interactive is common interactive sentence. Have you written this expedition noun?
Sir, what is the
Expedition.
meaning of expectation?
Got it?
Abhiyan. Acha.
I heard
Yes,
when
sir.
I
Got.
was in college, so there was cycle expedition. So I went to my college from my college to Gwari Ghat. It was so long from there. So it was a cycle expedition, cycle abhiyan. No, now I got the meaning.
Sarika, can you tell me which chapter does this sentence belong?
Sir, which chapter? Keep patience.
Yes.
Sir, this sentence belongs to order or request.
Can you ask any related question to somebody else?
Okay. Aparna Di, how can we say this? Ki this sentence related to B chap. This sentence related to order or request.
Request. I can say because first for one verb, this sentence is starting from verb. So we can say this is order or request. Renu Bhavi, what is the patience here?
Good question.
Patience is a noun.
Good answer.
Okay. So, so
Now
what
it
should,
is now it is done,
yeah.
and let's. It is Ritu's go. Ritu, speak it as it is, or do creativity, whichever you want.
Okay, sir. Yesterday, my maid told me, asked. Yesterday, my maid asked me, Bhabhi, give me 5,000 rupees, me, for my son. So I have given him 3,000 rupees and I said to him, keep patience. I will give you later. Left money I will give you later.
Can
Process
you?
complete. No need. No? Okay.
Hindi is not required now.
Okay. Renu?
Should okay.
Okay. Aparna?
We should keep patience when we are in trouble. जब हम किसी समस्या में हो या मुसीबत में हो तो हमें धैर्य रखना चाहिए. सारिका?
When I was delivering my speech yesterday, last eve, so it was raining heavily, and my network created so much problem. So my husband said, so I was impatient that time because network disturbed me. So my husband said, ki, keep patience, it will be sort out after some time. Carry on. Okay, Renu Bhabi.
One should keep patience while um, while while taking um, hasty decisions. Hasty, hasty decisions.
While taking food, high calorie.
Sir, is it okay?
Yes, correct.
Okay, thank you.
Complete the process, Renu Bhabi, please.
हर किसी को धैर्य रखना, जल्दबाजी में डिसीजन लेने से पहले धैर्य रखना चाहिए.
Haste.
Sarika, ask one related question.
Okay. D, what is patience there?
Patience is a noun here.
Aparna, ask the next question too.
Uh, Renu Bhabi, what is the another
Meaning.
meaning of
Nine,
patience?
what is the meaning of?
What is the Hindi meaning of patience?
The Hindi meaning of patience is धैर्य.
Renu, ask this question.
Okay, Ritu, what is patent? Patent. Patent. Patience ही है ना?
Patient.
Patience. हाँ, okay. Patient. What is patient? Ritu?
Sorry, patient means marriage.
Patient.
Okay, no problem. I'm giving answer behalf of Ritu. Renu, patient is a noun here.
Oh.
Now I'm asking next question myself to Ritu. What is the meaning of patient here?
The meaning of patient here is marriage.
Correct. Ask the next question related to this to Sarika.
Sarika, what do you mean by patient? Talent. Patient.
Okay,
नहीं,
thank you. Now let me ask.
L दिख रहा है
Sarika,
sir, LIEN.
what is patient here?
Sir, patient is an adjective here.
Good. Now ask the next question to Ritu, not to Aparna.
sir,
Okay.
Ritu is confused because L is you have not.
हाँ.
Yeah.
The
That's
patient. अब तो clear है.
D, what is the Hindi meaning of patient there?
I think same as above. Patient is marriage.
Thank you, Ritu. Now ask this question to Aparna.
Aparna,
Okay.
what is patient here? What is the meaning of patient here?
The patient as an adjective means धैर्यवान.
Oh.
Okay, guys, let's try to put this new word on our tongue. I'm giving you one example, then you can also make. My father was a very patient person. He never scolded me, never beat me. मेरे पिताजी बहुत धैर्यवान व्यक्ति थे. उन्होंने ना मुझे कभी डांटा ना मारा. And whose go is this?
Mm, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, is a really patient person as a politician, and he always this thing that always manage this thing during during politics. हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी बहुत ही धैर्यवान व्यक्तित्व है उनका, और वो इस राजनीति में भी इसको बहुत संभाल के रखे हुए हैं.
Okay. All the doctors should be patient when while during the while treating the patient. सभी डॉक्टर्स को मरीज को ट्रीट करते समय धैर्यवान होना चाहिए. रेणु भाभी.
Thank you for using shit chapter, Sarika. Yes, Renu, sorry. Carry on.
All the producers should uh, be patient after producing their films.
Thank
Ritu?
you.
Okay. This morning at 9 o'clock, I went to for purchase some fruits. I met a buffalo. So she was suffering from some his thorns. क्या बोलते हैं? Some leaves stuck in their thorns. So I patiently gone towards him and
ऋतु पेशेंटली होगा.
patiently. I went to patiently towards him and I निकाल दिया मेरा.
Remove.
I removed that
नहीं बेटा, हमने तुम्हें
leaf.
नहीं हमने तुम्हें रॉ मटेरियल सप्लाई किया है, तुम्हें उसको कुक करना है.
I
जब भी
removed.
हम मदद करते हैं ना, तो हम वर्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म बताते हैं बेटा,
Okay.
लेकिन आपको उसको चैप्टर के हिसाब से चेंज करना.
I removed that all the leaves from his thorns. She was very happy that time.
One more sentence, practical sentence. Should I try? Okay. I try new dishes very patiently.
Okay, now let me ask some related questions. Firstly, I'm asking to Ritu. Ritu, can you guess the Hindi meaning of this idiom?
A friend is a friend is a friend is indeed.
Guys, I'm
Sir,
speaking
I
this
have
sentence.
heard that idiom, but
No problem. I'm speaking again so that it can come on your CC. If your CC is not on, please put it on. A friend in need is a friend indeed. It is correct. If you cannot see, if the board is not visible or if this line is not visible, you can see your CC. Ritu, can you guess the Hindi meaning?
Sir, I said that
Sorry,
I have
sorry,
thought.
sorry, sorry. Ritu ne, Renu ya. Renu, can you guess?
Yes, yes सर, समय पे जो काम आए वही सच्चा मित्र है.
Yes.
It is.
Okay, this is right. And now ask about the chapter to Aparna.
Okay. Aparna, can you tell me from which chapter this sentence related?
Bhabhi, actually, this sentence is having two parts. First part is related to present simple, then second part related to be present.
Aparna asked the same question to Sarika.
Sarika, which chapter does this sentence belong?
This sentence belongs to be present.
Present.
Sarika asked the same question to Ritu and then Ritu will ask to Renu.
जी. Ritu di, which chapter does this sentence belong?
Well, Sarika, that I think that sentence belonged to simple present tense.
Ritu asked the same question to Renu.
Ritu,
Renu, can you guess what which chapter does that sentence belong?
Ritu, according to me, this sentence belongs to be present chapter.
Okay.
So,
Now let me ask uh, Renu, if you are saying this sentence belongs to be present, so can you tell me what is the subject of this sentence?
sir, the subject of this sentence is a friend in need.
You are absolutely correct.
Thank you.
You know, it was not really easy. Sarika, do you agree with Renu?
Yes, sir, I completely agree with Renu Bhabhi.
क्या आप रेणु से सहमत हैं?
हाँ जी, मैं रेणु भाभी से पूरी तरह से सहमत हूँ.
अब सेम थिंग सबकी जुबान से निकलवाने के लिए सेम क्वेश्चन तुम किसी और से कर दो. व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस?
Okay. Aparna di, what is the subject in this sentence?
A friend in need is a subject in this sentence. I think because there is no helping verb and nothing else. That's why. Okay, Ritu, what is the subject in this sentence?
A friend in need is the subject in this sentence. Sir, all are done.
Ritu, please ask the second related question to somebody. To Sarika.
Okay. Sarika, what is the helping verb in that sentence?
Di, there is no helping verb. Okay, Aparna di, what is here?
Is a main verb here in this sentence. Did you ask me?
Yes, Di, I asked you. What
Okay,
is the
because of network problem, I could not hear you. That's why I asked.
So should I repeat my question?
I have answered.
It will do. Go ahead.
Okay, Renu Bhabi, what is here in this sentence?
I,
You are mute, Renu Bhabi.
Renu, you are mute.
Yeah. Sorry.
What is
It yeah. A friend is in need is an adjective or noun in this sentence.
Sorry, Bhabhi.
What is
Sorry.
A? What is
Have I
A?
given?
Is
I talk of chef, he hears of cheese. Have I given?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You have already given.
It is suitable here.
okay. Is an article. Okay. What is Sarika? What is friend indeed in this? Okay, friend. Okay. What is friend in this sentence?
Bhabhi, friend is a noun here.
Okay.
Ritu Di, what indeed here?
She left.
Okay. Di, what is indeed here?
She has come. She has come. She has come.
Ritu Di, what is indeed here?
Indeed, I think here is object.
Thank you, Ritu. Ask the same question to Renu.
Renu, what is indeed here?
Indeed is an adjective or noun here. But here it is adjective, I think.
Ask the same question to Aparna.
Aparna, what is indeed here?
Bhabi, indeed is an adjective here. It is
Ask
already written
Sarika.
there. Okay. Sarika, what is indeed here? Adverb, sorry, adverb here. एडवर्ब लिखा हुआ है फिर भी एडजेक्टिव बोल रहे हैं एन एडवर्ब
पर बी प्रेजेंट में तो हमेशा लास्ट में एडजेक्टिव और नाउन आता है ना, तो ये चेंज कैसे?
Good question. Easy question. It is a good question and easy question. So, who is ready to explain this thing to Renu?
Bhabhi, here noun, friend is a noun here, na? And
Correct. Renu, you can see here. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
दोस्तों, to be frank, I am telling you, when I thought to include idioms in my syllabus, I was, I never thought, I never imagined that it will be so much helpful to understand the grammar properly. And because, idioms are made 100 years ago, 200 years back. So, according to the situations, they are made and they are telling you so nicely the real language. Means, see, uh, for last 27 years, earlier we used to think Radha is a subject, Ram is a subject, Mohan is a subject, Sita is a subject. Gradually, we started discovering a lot of subjects, and now you are not surprised, and you have declared. I have not told you, man. You have told me, you have informed me that a friend in need is a compound subject here. Now you are able to understand this is really very important. Guys, I must congratulate you because you know Ram is eating mango is easy to get. Radha is playing badminton is easy to get. Sita is singing a song is easy to get. Mohan is writing a letter is very easy to get. Uh, Gandhiji was a great man. He was born on 2nd October. It is easy to mug up. And I have been suffering from fever since last night. It is also easy to mug up. But now, see, yesterday I did not hear Sarika your speech completely. Today I will listen. But Sarika said one thing. Somebody asked, okay, Madam, what do you think? Grammar is necessary or not? So she gave very balanced and nice answer. Okay, grammar is necessary. My words are different, but the sense was same. And surprisingly, this class is basically spoken class. But sir teaches grammar and blah blah whatever she said. You can see the video. So it is true. Our class is really spoken based class, spoken class. But uh, without any extra effort, I do not put any extra effort, guys, to teach you. I do not teach you that difficult grammar which makes you bored. But this much grammar is enough, I think. And if you want to say about this point, please कमेंट बॉक्स में जाकर लिखिए मीन्स व्हाट्सएप में ओके सो इंडीड इज एडवर्ब दोस्तों दिस इज ऑल अ कोइंसिडेंस कि पिछले 2 बार से आपको नया एडवर्ब नए तरीके से सीखने मिल रहा है शायद हमने गलती कर दी हमने पहले लिखना नहीं चाहिए था लेकिन अब करती तो कर दी फिर भी तुम लोग देख नहीं पाए उसको कि एडवर्ब
हाँ लिखने के बाद भी तो नहीं देख पाए थे
यहाँ ये मुख्य क्रिया की विशेषता बतला रहा है अभी अपन देखते हैं कैसे Guys, this is a kind of interactive sentence, but do not write it down in the column of interactives. You can write it down in miscellaneous or wherever you want. Yes, indeed. It's similar to yes, of course. Sarika, do you speak English nowadays?
Yes, indeed, sir.
सारिका आजकल इंग्लिश बोलती हो
हाँ बिल्कुल बोलती हूँ दी do you take studies of Chimu nowadays?
yes well I yes indeed Sarika nowadays his exam is round the corner that's why I'm taking a study of you Renu Bhabi as I know that you are so concerned about your family, so do you really take care of your mother-in-law?
Yes, indeed. Okay. Ritu, um, as you are, you came to live with your son, so are you really taking care of his studies?
Yes, Renu, indeed. Uh, I really taking. Come again, please.
Taking care of his studies.
Uh, yes, Renu. Indeed, I am taking. I taking care of his study.
Ritu, it's a go to ask.
Yeah, yeah. I am thinking about it. So now, whom should I ask?
You can ask Sarika because I'm busy in writing.
Okay. Sarika, are you going somewhere this pandemic time?
No, Di, not at all. सर इसका कैसे आंसर दूं?
Indeed.
Please come again. I could not hear.
Are you going somewhere this pandemic time?
No, Di, not at all. I'm not going anywhere this pandemic time.
But indeed, sir, कैसे add हो?
You have to
Ask
ask
genuine question
question
ना.
like
ऋतु ऐसा पूछ लो ना बेटा, क्या इस पेंडेमिक में आप घर पे ही रहती हो, तो वो यस बोल देगी.
हाँ. Sarika, are you staying at home in this pandemic time?
Yes, Di, indeed. I'm staying at home in this pandemic time.
क्या हमारी
ऋतु, अगर तुम इसको ऐसा पूछती ना, डू यू स्टे प्रेजेंट
हाँ,
सिंपल में, ता है थी, ये भी
हाँ,
सही है. इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले ऐसे ही बोलते हैं, लेकिन लिटिल बिट ग्रामर सभी करो.
stay.
sir,
You stay at
board
home.
is not visible. Full board is not.
हाँ,
It is
I
not
actually
visible.
I was showing you especially this because it is going out of. So if you have written this, I can.
Would
Is a good point.
Now next question starts. Uh, my question can be little difficult. Who is ready to answer? Please raise the hand.
Sir, I am
Sir,
ready to answer.
I'm ready.
Firstly, Renu raised the hand. Renu, what is a good deed?
So, good deed is a good work.
No, no, no.
Hmm.
What is a good deed in your point of view, according to you?
Sir, according to me, good deed is the thing that humans do for their goodness and others' goodness.
हम एक सरल सा तरीका बताते हैं, बाकी आप अपना जैसा बड़ा सेंटेंस बनाना बना. रेनू आंसू.
Sir, what is good deed?
Well, Renu, as far as I think, helping others is a good deed. Please
Okay.
complete the process.
सर अच्छा एक अच्छा कार्य क्या है?
जहाँ तक मेरा सोचना है, मेरा मानना है, मेरा ख्याल है रेनू, दूसरों की मदद करना एक अच्छा काम. Now who is ready?
I'm
Sir,
ready.
I am ready.
Okay. Ritu. Ritu, what is a good deed?
Sir, as far as my concern, I think the take care of street animals is good.
रितु, एक गलती हो गई बेटा, हम जो सिखाना चाह रहे थे जानबूझ के वो सेंटेंस हमने बीच में कूद के बोला था। रेनू ध्यान दिया पढ़ना, सारिका हमने क्या किया था उसमें ग्रामर में, ऐसा क्या?
आपने नाउन ले लिया था, वर्ब को आईएनजी लगा के नाउन करके फिर उसको
वर्ब को नाउन बनाना बहुत आसान है।
Okay, okay, sir. I'm trying. I'm trying again. As far as my concern, taking care of street animals is good deed. मेरे ख्याल से स्ट्रीट एनिमल्स की केयर करना एक अच्छा काम है।
Sir, board really tilt. I can't
You
see
can
anything.
zoom, Sarika. Zoom, हाँ.
नहीं,
I
वो
have zoomed
तुम लोग को
already. This.
दिखाने के लिए है ही नहीं, तुम लोग को दिखाने के लिए नहीं है, केवल ये दिखाने के लिए था कि आई एम बिजी इन राइटिंग, यू कैरी ऑन।
Okay.
Is it done or one more round is required?
Sir, I'm rest.
No, Sarika and I
Answer.
are rest. Ritu, you ask anybody of both of us.
Okay, Aparna, you tell.
Ask the question. Ask me.
Acha, I have to ask you question.
Yes. Ah.
Okay, sorry. Aparna, what is a good deed?
Loving of your family and respecting others' values, emotions is a good deed. Okay, Sarika, what is good deed?
This serving meal to needy person and providing education to poor children and maintaining humanity. Uh, that is, according to me, that is the good deed. That are good. Those are good deed.
बच्चों अब क्या करो, इतना बड़ा सब्जेक्ट लगाने के बाद इज लगाना सीखो। इतना सारा बोलने के बाद जब आप इज लगाते हो तो मजा आ जाता है, क्योंकि वो पूरा सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है। जितना तुमने ढेर सारा बोला वो सब सब्जेक्ट हो गया। उसके बाद मेन वर्ब रखो, रिक नाउन रख दो, एडजेक्टिव रख दो, पूरा वही है। गॉट इट?
पर सर कैसे? हमने तो 3 सब्जेक्ट लिए एक साथ अलग
जैसे
अलग।
अभी अपर्णा ने इतना सारा बोला, ठीक है, कि ये करना वो कर, देखो हिंदी में समझ लो तो तुम्हें क्लियर हो जाएगा सारी का। ये कंफ्यूजन बहुत पहले तुम्हारा बिल्कुल शुरू में आया था। मदद करना, लोगों की उनके साथ रहना, समय बिताना, बूढ़ों का साथ देना, यातायात के नियमों का पालन करना, अच्छा काम, मतलब ये सब अच्छा काम। आग लगा सकते हो, चाहो तो लगा सकते हो, वो भी सही होगा। ब्ला 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 आर गुड डीड्स, ये भी सही है। लेकिन एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज अ गुड डीड इन योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू? व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हाट इज अ गुड डीड? तो आपसे एक के लिए पूछा जा रहा है आमतौर पर, तो आप वैसा ही बोल सकते हो कि ये भी है, वो भी है, वो भी है, लेकिन ये मेरे नजर में सबसे अच्छा काम है, लाइक दिस। बोथ आर करेक्ट। चलो दोस्तों आगे बढ़ते हैं। यहाँ पे देखिए, Need is a. Sarika, what is need here?
Sir, board is not visible.
Need is a noun. उसको zoom out, zoom in
Okay.
करके देखो.
अरे दी, I have already zoomed.
तो zoom in कर लो.
अब zoom in में वो पूरा blur हो जाता है, कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है.
Okay, okay, okay.
अरे उसको पिन कर
Sir,
लो.
need
पिन करके देखो, स्क्रीन फुल कर लो.
किया पिन, फिर पूरा फुल किया, फिर अभी आ रहा है.
हाँ.
Sir, need is a noun here.
Okay. Need क्या है यहाँ?
Sir, need यहाँ संज्ञा है.
आगे बढ़ाओ.
दी, what is the Hindi meaning of need?
The Hindi meaning of need is जरूरत, आवश्यकता, नहीं
Yes.
जरूरत. What is the, अभी हो गया. What are the
What?
basic?
What are the basic needs of a man? Your CC is saying
Sir, can I answer?
yes.
Okay. There are only three needs, the three basic needs of a man, like bread, clothes, shelter, roti, kapda और मकान. But according to me, okay. Aparna di, what are the basic need of a man?
A love from family, क्या कहना चाहिए, आशीर्वाद from elders, parents are the needs of man.
No need of Hindi.
What did you say, sir? Sorry.
No need.
No need of Hindi.
No need of Hindi.
Okay. Renu Bhabhi, what are the basic needs of man?
Renu, you are mute.
Aparna, well, apart from food, shelter, and clothes, basic health, good health, and family support is also a basic need of man. And of course, language is also a basic need nowadays. It is also a basic need of man. Okay. Ritu, what is the basic need of men? Of a man?
Well, Renu, according to me, very first need to a man is oxygen, then food, then water, and then sleep are the basic needs for a man.
Okay, Ritu, you can ask me.
Sir, what are the basic needs of a man?
Well, Ritu, the basic needs of a man are mobile, four-wheeler, and Wi-Fi.
Actually, it is a need of a day. Without it, one cannot survive.
No, I don't think so.
But it is, yes, we cannot agree, we cannot think as so, but it actually it is a required. Kyuki, see, Sarika, what happened these days? classes are online. Kids are
Yes.
dependent on mobile.
Car is not
Actually,
necessary, but
actually, these are
network
included
and
our basic needs.
mobile phone are
Actually,
necessary.
Yeah, mobile and Wi-Fi also. No?
actually,
So
these are included our basic needs
yeah,
nowadays.
nowadays, yes. matlab, now in pandemic time, only this is the means that survived. So it comes into basic needs, I think.
Actually, we can say that thing because we are full all the facilities, but those people they can't afford these. They can't afford their daily food. They don't have any shelter. If we are talking about those people, if we are thinking about those people, na, so this is the basic required means food, shelter,
Actually,
and
Sarika,
uh,
actually, what sir
so this
said,
is
are
fact actually.
secondary needs.
Yeah, I know, but these are primary needs of any human being. आपके
Yes,
पास
yes,
जब तक
of
चीज है तब
course.
तक ठीक है. आप इमेजिन करो उन लोगों के लिए जिनके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, तो उनके लिए तो 2 वक्त का खाना भी मुश्किल होता है. वो कहाँ से मोबाइल अफोर्ड करेंगे? जैसे अभी बाढ़ में कितने लोगों के घर बर्बाद हो गए, तो उनके लिए तो वही सबसे ज्यादा बेसिक नीड है. एक्चुअली we organized means our society and other society organized this one campaign where we collected all the required things and sent to the needy people. So that time I was thinking about that ki we all have all the required things and we are enjoying our lockdown at home. So that's why we can say this thing कि we can't lay out mobile and but उनका क्या वो क्या कर
Now
रहे हैं.
we can
तो उस
say
टाइम
कि-
मैं
now we can say
सोचने पे
Sarika is in full mood and full confidence. Last day of speech, of delivering his speech, he has become more confidence now. Clap for her.
yeah you can say really this when I donated na things. So that was really I thought this thing कि it is means बेचारे वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वो क्या करेंगे, ऐसे सोच के बहुत was very upset that day.
But after food, clothes, and shelter, education is very necessary. So for education nowadays, are all the social workers are giving the iPods and matlab iPod pod nahi, pod
I,
simple pod. हाँ
iPad.
iPad नहीं यार. अरे
अरे सिस्टम लैपटॉप.
लैपटॉप भी नहीं.
I think my answer is accurate. My answer was
Providing this thing.
accurate
हाँ,
because
phones and
very basic need is oxygen.
oxygen गरीब व्यक्ति तो can get means we are a green
Oxygen,
country is
food,
there, so we can get
food, sleep,
oxygen
and
from.
thirst.
So भी चाहते हैं, but
Food,
खाना is basic need. सब first of all we the basic and really needed thing is food. Food is must for
Actually,
everyone.
I watched I watched the interview of Manoj Muntashir. So when she was struggling in Mumbai, so sometimes he did not get the meal, and he stayed at the means क्या क्या बोलते हैं, कहाँ रहते थे?
street,
Slum
street
area,
or
स्लम
slum
एरिया
area,
नहीं.
station,
footpath,
अरे रोड के बाजू में क्या होते हैं?
street, foot,
footpath.
हाँ,
footpath.
फुटपाथ. So
मेरा
he
ड्राइवर
stay
बोलता
at
है
footpath.
फुटपाथ.
So he said now he is very successful lyricist and he has got name, fame and everything. But he shared this thing कि he belongs to very good family. मतलब he belongs to farmer family, but he was he belongs to middle class family, so he could afford anything. But when he was struggling in Mumbai, so he has suffered so many things, and he shared his experience. So that time he said ki one day that means a couple of day he did not take anything, कुछ भी नहीं खा पाता था वो, और तब भी वो रहते थे वैसे में। तब उनको समझ में आया कि हंगर क्या होता है, मतलब जो फेस करता है ना उसको ही समझ में आता है। वी आर फुल, वी हैव सफिशिएंट मील, सो वी कैन से दिस थिंग, बट वो लोग नहीं सोच सकते ऐसा जिनके पास खाना ही नहीं होता है। तो आई थिंक फूड इज वेरी नेसेसरी। और माय मम्मा ऑलवेज सेज कि serving the meal is a best donation to others. So I always follow that thing ki whenever I get to chance to serve meal to another, so I really do this.
Okay, guys. The next question, who will ask this question to whom?
I will ask question to Sarika. What should be the verb for आवश्यकता होना या जरूरत?
The verb for आवश्यकता होना should be need. Renu Bhabi,
Sorry.
what should be the second form of need?
The second form of need should be needed. Ritu, what should be the third form of need?
The third form of need should be needed. Sarika, what is the spelling of needed?
The spelling of needed should be Needed.
Okay, let's use it practically. Aparna, what do you need?
I need respect.
आपको किस चीज की जरूरत है?
मुझे सम्मान की जरूरत है।
दोस्तों, इसको ग्रामर की तरह देखिए, बहुत बड़ा आंसर मत दीजिएगा। रेनू, which chapter does this sentence belong? What do you need?
Sir, this sentence belongs to present, simple present tense.
Correct. Now we are using need as a verb. Aparna asked the same question.
Renu Bhabi, Sarika, what do you need?
I need peace of mind.
आपको किस चीज की जरूरत है?
मुझे मानसिक शांति की जरूरत है। रेणु भाभी, what do you need?
Yeah, same as you said, Sarika. I need peace and contentment. Ritu,
भाभी, आपको किस चीज की जरूरत है?
ओके, मुझे शांति और कंटेंटमेंट होता है, परिपूर्णता की जरूरत है।
संतोष।
रितु, व्हाट डू यू नीड? संपूर्ण।
I need one air ticket for Mumbai.
So you want to come back?
I want to that.
Should I send you or should I book for you? Just tell me.
As you wish.
Okay, guys, write down this sentence. मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था। बताओ रितु, where will you write down this sentence? रितु,
मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था। Sir, come again, please. What's your question?
Where will you write this sentence?
Present continuous tense.
Right jawab. Sarika.
Sir, I will write
Wait,
it
sorry,
past
sorry.
continuous tense.
Open your past continuous tense, the page of past continuous, and write it down. मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था. And write down one more sentence, ladies, after leaving one line. मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था. मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था. And write down one more sentence, ladies, after leaving one line. तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं? तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं? I have given you 3 continuous sentences. रितु को पहला सेंटेंस देते हैं. रितु, who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make that sentence. That
Please.
sentence belongs to past continuous tense.
Correct.
This is an affirmative sentence.
Good.
Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. And then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is was. And then I will take the first form of verb. The first form of verb is go with ing. Then I will take the preposition, and the preposition is on. नहीं, sorry. रास्ते पर नहीं जा रहा था, रास्ते से जा रहा था. On is correct. Okay. Then I will take the object, and the object is road.
Thank you, रितु. One thing is missing. अब हम पूरा नहीं बनवाएंगे किसी से. बता दो what is missing.
Adjective.
Anybody else?
Adverb.
Sir, article the.
Correct. Thank you. Aparna, speak this sentence.
मैं तो रास्ते
Do not speak. Let's make 2 more sentences, then we will sing this song. Now, who has to make the next sentence?
Sir, I have to make next sentence.
Okay.
Sir, I can also make.
Okay, Renu. Renu, go ahead.
Okay. Sir, the second sentence also belongs to past continuous tense. It is again an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. And thereafter, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is was. Then I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of verb is have. Thereafter I will add ing in that. Eating भी हो सकता है, having भी हो सकता है. I was eating. ing. Okay. Rahat, I was eating water balls. Then I will take the object, and the object is water balls. Bhelpuri. At the end, I will put the full stop, and the sentence is I was eating bhel puri.
दोस्तों शायद कल परसों ही मैंने बोला था कि आगे के एक चैप्टर में जाके हम ईट फिल्म आपको दे देंगे. नाउ इज द टाइम. Aparna, what should be the verb for khana?
So the verb for khana should be eat. Now what should be the second form of eat, Sarika?
The second form of eat should be at. Renu Bhabi, what should be the third form of eat?
The third form of eat should be ate, eaten.
हाँ.
Now Renu asked about pina.
Okay. Ritu, what should be the verb for pina?
The verb for pina should be drink. Sarika, what should be the second form of drink?
The second form of drink should be drank. Aparna, what should be the third form of drink?
The third form of drink should be drunk.
Please jot it down. Guys, does anybody know what is the meaning of drunk? What is drunk sometimes?
Drunk is a noun sometimes.
A wrong answer. Can anybody remember?
Sir, drunk is the man who always have liquor.
Sarika, do you remember? No.
No, sir.
चलो एक बार फिर बताते हैं दोस्तों. प्रायः क्रिया का तीसरा रूप एडजेक्टिव की तरह कार्य करता
Yes, sir.
है.
Yes, sir.
क्रिया का तीसरा रूप प्रायः विशेषण अर्थात एडजेक्टिव की तरह कार्य करता है. हम वो शब्द प्रयोग कर रहे हैं जो आमतौर पर फिल्मों में होते हैं. टल्ली,
Dhut,
Sir, nashedi.
dhut.
बहुत सारे शब्द हो सकते हैं. हमने 2-3 लिख के. बेवड़ा मुंबईया फिल्मों में खूब चलता है. टल्ली भी चलता है. Okay, after writing it down, who has to make the last sentence of today?
Sir, I have
Sir,
to
I
make
will
last
try.
sentence.
I will try, but Sarika, after you try.
Yes, dear, of course, please.
Make, I will try. Huh?
दोस्तों, इस सेंटेंस को हम 2 लोगों को दे देंगे. पहले अपर्णा आधे सेंटेंस को ट्राई कर. दूसरा नहीं बनाना है. इतना बनाना है. तुझे मिर्ची लगी. अपर्णा इतने को ट्राई करो.
Okay, sir, I have to make this sentence, and this sentence is having 2 parts. First part belongs to past simple. Firstly, I will take the subject, you. Later on, I will take the second form of verb. And the second form of verb is annoyed. यही तो first half is completed.
हाँ, बस अभी इतना ही करना है. लेट्स सी. ऋतु से बनवाते हैं, फिर रेणु से, फिर सारिका से.
Should I make second? I am
नहीं, सेकंड अभी
to make
बनाना नहीं है।
second, but not.
सेकंड रेडीमेड सेंटेंस है, एक्चुअली वो बनाना ही नहीं है। जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज है वो यहाँ है, उसको देखें पहले। रितु, बिना प्रोसेस के तुम बनाओ, ये सेंटेंस कैसे बनाओगी? तुझे मिर्ची लगी, ऐसा भाव कैसे लाओगी सेंटेंस?
सेंटेंस ऐसे बनाऊंगी, व्हाट शुड आई डू इफ यू आर जेलस? जेलस कुछ और भी आ सकता है।
थैंक यू रितु। रितु सॉरी रेनू, अपने को पहला सेंटेंस बस बनाना है। रितु ने सुना नहीं, उसने पूरा बना दिया। तो पहले सेंटेंस को कैसे? तुझे मिर्ची लगी, रेनू।
सर मिर्ची लगी का इटसेल्फ एक वर्ड होगा, सो दैट आई डोंट नो।
मिर्ची को क्या कहते हैं पता है?
हाँ सर, वो तो पेपर बोलते हैं।
वो ब्लैक पेपर होता है, चिली।
हाँ, चिली।
तो शब्दों को कैसे जमाओगे?
यू गॉट चिली।
हाँ, हम यहाँ टेंस भी देखना चाह रहे थे। सही। हाँ, करेक्ट करेक्ट, गुड। सारिका, तुम इस सेंटेंस को कैसे बनाओ? थैंक यू रितु फॉर म्यूटिंग। हाँ, सारिका।
Sir, this sentence belongs to two parts, and first part, this sentence is having two parts, and first part belongs to the past, and the second part belongs to interactive sentence. So, firstly, I will
पहला बस
take the
बनाना
subject
है
and the
सारिका, है ना?
subject.
पहला बस बनाना है, ठीक है?
Firstly, I will take the subject, and subject is you. Later on, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is were. Lastly, I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective or noun is jealous. So, since you were jealous.
हाँ, very nice.
I made this sentence related to both, मतलब पहले वाले सेंटेंस से रिलेटेड किया क्योंकि दोनों ही पास्ट में थे, इसलिए।
बिल्कुल सही। अब ध्यान से सुनो। सबसे पहले तो रेन्यू को हम क्लियर कर देना चाहते हैं। गाने में जो ओरिजिनल गाना है उसी के आधार पे हमने बनाया और जानबूझ के ये सेंटेंस दिया। मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा हूँ, तुझे मिर्ची लगी। अब यहाँ जीभ वाली मिर्ची की बात तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो रही है। तो यहाँ सामने वाले को जो मिर्ची लगने की बात हो रही है उसको अपन कैसे व्यक्त करते हैं? वो अपर्णा ने भी किया, ऋतु ने भी सही किया, वही है, भाव वही है। तो अब सुनना सारिका, तुम लोग, अपर्णा तुम भी, भले ही वो टेंस कोई सा भी हो, लेकिन इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले क्या करते हैं, कुछ चीजों को हमेशा टेंस से नहीं लेते हैं। अब इसमें जो सबसे जरूरी शब्द है वो बिल्कुल सही बोले तो मैं से किसी, सबसे पहले तो इफ लगे, क्योंकि वहां तो लग रहा है। अगर अब इस चीज को याद रखिएगा कि वो दिखाई दे या ना दिखाई, भाव वो है वहां। इफ यू, अब हम इसको प्रेजेंट में बना लेंगे सारिका, अपर्णा। रेनू ने भी पास में जो कोशिश की सही की, ऋतु ने। अब हिंदी सेंटेंस तो भूतकाल की ओर संकेत कर रहा है, लेकिन उस भाव को बी प्रेजेंट में व्यक्त करके सबसे अच्छे तरीके से हम बना सकते, वो सही है। कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी? रितु विल टेल मी द स्पेलिंग ऑफ जेलस।
JELOUS, jealous।
तो ये यहां तक वाक्य बन गया दोस्तों। तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो, और तो का सबको याद होगा, हम नहीं पूछेंगे अभी कि तो के लिए अंग्रेजी में कुछ नहीं लगता है, केवल कॉमा लगता है, तो हम यहाँ कॉमा लगा देंगे। हिंदी में तो लगेगा तो इसलिए लगा है। इफ यू आर जेलस, दूसरा सेंटेंस बनाने की जरूरत थी ही नहीं, वो रेडीमेड है, इंटरेक्टिव दिया हुआ है हमने, तो वो सीधा सीधा
What I do. Should I?
what should I do? If you are jealous, what should I do? Okay. अब हम तीनों को बोल देते हैं या गा देते हैं। अब वो लाए तो नहीं आएंगे इंग्लिश में, लेकिन थोड़ा सा एंजॉय कर लो, कोशिश कर लो कौन सबसे पहले गाने के रूप में उसको कोशिश
रितु,
करो, मजा आएगा। जस्ट
Aparna,
एंजॉय।
Aparna, you try.
I was going on the way. I was having bhelpuri. If you are jealous, so what should I do? I was going on the way.
वेरी नाइस, गुड। पूरी क्लास जब रहती तो खूब मजा आता है बच्चों को, क्योंकि 2-3 लोग तो ऐसे होते हैं जो डेयरिंग करते हैं और गा देते हैं। नेक्स्ट बोल दो भाई, नहीं गा सकते तो
ओके सर। सर मैं वैसे गा देती हूँ पर आपके सामने
हम
नहीं
कहाँ
गा
हैं?
पा रही हूँ।
हम पीछे चले या पीछे?
ओके सर। I was going on the way. I was having bhelpuri. If you are jealous, so what should I do? Ritu di.
I was going on the way.
टिंग टिंग
I
टिंग।
was
अरे हम बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक दे रहे हैं यार। हाँ, शुरू करो।
I was going on the way. I was going on the way. I was having bhel puri. What should I do if you are jealous?
Wow, wow, wow. Good. And now, last but not the least,
Sir, I am very bad in singing.
Okay. Don't worry.
अरे वो
Okay.
1 से 1.5 लाख लाइक मिले थे एक हीरो को, जो कि रजनीकांत का दामाद था, जो बिल्कुल he was very very bad.
Dhanush. Sir Dhanush.
धनुष।
Why this Kolavari di.
I was going on the way. I was eating bhel puri. If you are jealous, what should I do?
तो इन लोगों को मालूम है, रीति को पता नहीं, याद है कि नहीं, कि हम ढपली बजाते हैं क्लास में ये।
Yes, sir, I know. I know.
तो हम गा के बताते हैं, हम भी गा के बताते हैं। पहले थोड़ा सा इंटरलूड होना चाहिए म्यूजिक। I was going on the way. I was eating bhelpuri. You are jealous. What should I do? तालियां। हमारे एक सीनियर स्टूडेंट ने इंग्लिश में पूरा गाना बनाया था दोस्तों, और यू विल बी सरप्राइज, कभी वो आएगा तो उन लोग से गवाएंगे। तुम लोग को उसमें से मैक्सिमम समझ में आ जाएगा कि वो क्या गा रहे हैं। और उन्होंने किया क्या था, इंटरेक्टिव इडियम को एक के बाद एक जोड़ते गए। इंटरेक्टिव इडियम तो वो तुम लोग को मिले हुए हैं। कोई इंग्लिश धुन ले ली थी उन्होंने और उस पर बनाया। So whenever the gathering occurs here, I will record it. दोस्तों, अब हम यहाँ पे आज विराम देते, समय भी हो गया है, तो आज से आप ईट का प्रयोग करने के लिए स्वतंत्र हैं। हम प्रतिबंध हटा ले रहे हैं ईट और ड्रिंक का। लेकिन हमें इतना विश्वास है कि अब तक आपके जुबान पे हैव और टेक अच्छे से आ गया होगा, बट नाउ यू कैन यूज ईट. Now on you can. Have I given you disinfectant something?